So he must have stolen the money.
Yeah, he was stealing the money. The Swede guy found that out in the book.
I'm coming.
No way.
What happened? She sold his wife comes along after he
Oh,
got shot.
what a nice pumpkin.
I know it's pumpkin goggles in the back.
Oh, really?
Yeah, pumpkin goggles.
And sent it to New York City.
Huh.
Or wherever she was to sell. And that's when they came down.
Wendy, you want to say something special?
What?
A shoe.
You're not gonna stab me, right? Oh, what a special shoe.
No, this shoe.
Oh, yeah, it's special. It's beautiful.
Special one like a cupcake.
A cupcake?
Yeah, this cupcake.
Oh. Where's the mouse?
I'm scaring this shoes out because they...
Oh, gosh.
How come Dad always makes me funny?
I don't know.
It's cold. The U.S. Marshal from back on. Justified. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, you like that?
Well, then.